Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this beautiful pink Easter set using Born Pretty's pink set. So if you're interested on how I got this super cute Easter design, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so throughout the video there will be pop-ups showing you the colors that I will be using. Right here I'm using PB02, Born Pretty 02 from the pink set, and I'm going to tape my first nail. And basically what I'm doing here is just I'm do a full cover, okay? I'm going to cover the whole entire nail tip with 2 coats of this 02 Born Pretty color. And I'm not going to bore you with, me showing you this twice. I just know that I did 2 coats of each color. And next, for the second tip, I'm using PB01, which is a lighter pink. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to cover the whole nail in this lighter pink shade. I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and I'm going to stick it in the lamp. All right, now is my favorite thing to do. Okay, everything will be linked down below. I'm using a stamping plate, and we are going to use some stamping gel polishes as well, and we're going to do a blend of this pink and purple, and we're going to pick up the super cute pattern that goes on like Easter eggs that you usually see on the little Easter egg designs, and we're going to plop it right on the nail. It's super easy, you guys. Stamping, I love. Mwah, it's chef's kiss. Okay, stamping is the best thing ever for us that aren't that artistic. Okay, so stamping takes the guesswork out of things. So make sure you check the links down below so you could get your hands on this. Also, there's a cute little discount code for you guys down below as well. Okay, so here I'm using this gold color, like a muted gold color, to do another stamping design, which is a set of carrots. And I'm going to put this down on that lighter pink that we did earlier, and we're just gonna put it down right there. Okay, you don't have to hand draw anything. I'm telling you, you better get into some stamping. Okay, next I'm taking the third color and the third tip, and I'm going to use this color PB06, which is a sparkly glitter pink, and I love this. I'm doing 2 coats of this color as well, and like I said, these colors are from Born Pretty. Everything will be linked down below. And for this one, I decided to use the last 3 remaining colors, which is 05, 03, and 04. And I'm doing like a 3-way ombre effect, the lighter color on top, the middle color in the middle, and the brighter, deeper color towards the tip. And then I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to blend this out and blend all 3 colors together. And I'm going to do this about 2 times to get the desired look that I want. So here I'm just blending it with the brush. And yeah, ombre doesn't have to be perfect. That's one thing I love about nails. Nails, you could come up with any type of designs, anything that you want to do on a nail or design on a nail, you pretty much can. Is just have fun with it. It doesn't have to be so stressful. Take your time and just let your mind flow. I freestyled this whole set. When I tell you, I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just knew that I needed to showcase this pink set, and I just literally was going with the flow, and I didn't really think twice about it. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna press record and I'm going to show you guys what I come up with. For the last and final nail, I decided to put a cute little bunny on the nail. So we're going to put the stamping color down, pick it up with our stamping what is this stamping thing? I forgot the name of it. Our stamper. And we're going to drop the bunny onto the corner of the nail. And then after I do that, I was trying to decide if I wanted to do in the middle, but I'm like, you know what? Let me put her in the corner. So I put it in the corner, and I was like, well, the nail looks kind of empty. So I decided to do this purple right here, and this is a stamping of cute little like flowers, and is going to fill up the rest of the nail. All right, so now that they're on the little stand, I'm going to take Magic Guard's top coat and we're going to top coat it, and then we're going to cure it in the lamp, and that pretty much completes the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Let me know if you guys did a Easter set. You know, all these holidays are coming back to back, but yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.